Hello and welcome. I'm at Caravan Salon Düsseldorf, and I have in front of me the Innova Road Trip Taklamancan, if I've pronounced that correctly, 4x4 Mercedes conversion. I shall come inside and show it to you. So nice blue light. It's got these very original seats inside. We've got this table up here, so people, when they are sitting at front and looking to the back, they can sort of drink the coffee or whatever. This layout is unique to Innova. No one else is doing it. So you've got a couple of beds, or two beds if you like, which are joined. But at the same time you're sitting on top of the bed and at the table, which is located in the middle of the van. You've got this very unique storage system which goes all the way around, and as you'd expect, you've got a window on one side, two windows at the back which are openable, and you've got a bit of storage to the left hand side. This will sit up there like that, allowing this to be used as a seat. Now you can see here a yacht on the road, a yacht on the how can I say that? A yacht travelling over land. There's a good translation. And in here we've got 3 burners, and of course we've got here a sink. Below this we will find a fridge. Oh, gone open the fridge. And it's got some, just checking to see what's in here, see if it's worth coming back later. And throw that there. In here we have the toilet. Got a Klesana toilet in here. This is actually, I think, quite a large shower, given the size and the difficulty of building with the Sprinter. As much as I like the Sprinter, it's not an easy vehicle to build with. So I mean, this toilet is really quite large in the circumstances. Also comes with a skylight up there. Note also the very unusual flooring that they've used in here. There's also storage here. That's your wardrobe, and the storage below as well. So there you go, there's the Mercedes. I can keep some stuff up here as well. Obviously you can also, as you'd expect always, put stuff at the back of the vehicle. I'm going to come around there now and demonstrate that. And admission only for staff. Oh, the door thing's falling out. I'm just assuming that I can join the staff here. And here we go. There you go. There's the rear end of it. And let's have a look at what's in here. Oh, I can't try to open that. Just get a sneak peek in there. Got the gas in there. Storage around your electronics are in here. There you go. Victron Energy. Got the fuses in there as well. Right, good. I'll leave that open for the moment and show you around here as well. Right, thanks very much for watching. Hope you found that interesting. I upload every day 21:15. They've got the link there, allroadreisemobil.de. For the moment, from me in Düsseldorf, thanks for watching, and bye for now.